Ninth Nakshatra, Ashlesha, falling in Cancer and ending the first part or the first group of constellations. Ashlesha Nakshatra looks like a serpent. Just above your pelvis, there is a triangular muscle in which the Hindu or the Vedic philosophy says there is a serpentine with 3.5 rounds taking in the shape of air. This is Ashlesha, normally known as the serpent. Ashlesha, the first word, Ash, is called Ahi. There is controversy between astronomers and astrologers in the number of stars above sign Cancer falling in this constellation. The Vedic philosophy says it has got 6, like the 6 power points in the body, but astronomers say it is 5. As the name shows, serpent, they are very agile, good looking, nice, and Ashlesha ruled by the Mercury, the planet denoted by intelligence, beauty, childlike look, envious, revengeful, with the demonish qualities of a demon, not deceitful, always for good cause, dharma. Animal symbol is male cat. This is surprising how they have given it, because male cat is amongst the many cats only one. Research has to be done whether persons born in the male nakshatra are like Lord Krishna amongst the many women. Has been seen very good at sex. The directional strength is south, and the vowels D, do, de and do. This is the Sanskrit pronunciation or the Sanskrit vibrations of the vowels. The qualities are Rajas, Tamas, kingly, material, and the deity is again serpent. The persons born in the ascendant Ashlesha are sometimes deceitful, good thinkers, deep thinkers, planners, sensual, like a king, sometimes ungrateful for the cause of people, doesn't praise everyone all the time. Persons born with the moon sign Cancer and falling in Ashlesha constellation, they are leaders, managers, administrators, behavior unpredictable. You never know when happy and when sad. Stony faces, good in writing, speeches, poems, and also of the poetic nature. Because of the Mercury being the lord of this nakshatra and falling in the sign Cancer, and whose lord is moon, so sometimes mind is not resting even while sleeping. Persons born with the sun in the Ashlesha nakshatra falling in sign Cancer, erratic personality, good planners, intellectuals, nice administration. They are astrologers, politicians, leaders, sociologists, working for the society, and if afflicted, ends up into prostitution, deceitfulness, thieves, pimps, zookeepers, keep so many animals under control, sometimes snake charmers too. This sign of Cancer and the constellation Ashlesha, we call them the persons born under this particular constellation as persons born in Gandanta. Gandanta means one sign is ending and another is rising. Born in the first part of this nakshatra, the persons normally are sick. In the second part, affliction to the mother. Third part, affliction to the father. And fourth part, health point of view, the children are not good. It is considered, normally doesn't happen. The persons born in this constellation, Ashlesha, and that too in the fourth part. In the first part of this constellation, a big body, white, attractive, always remains tidy, neat and clean, good clothes. Persons born in the second part of this nakshatra, you can see their veins coming out of the body, fluffy body, doesn't look good, round always, right from the feet to the head. Normally have skin problems. Sometimes in the later stages they get leukoderma if they don't take care of their stomach. Hairs like the thorns, but beautiful body, attractive body, good speakers. Born in the fourth part of this nakshatra is like a fish, soft, nice obesity, good, not fat, walk slow, and weakest part in the body are their bones. Sometimes you find the face very long and a prominent nose.